So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain about what a branch is. So I've came across this web page and it has a very good explanation on what a branch is and what is head and pointer, all those things. And I use this web page to explain what is a branch. So since it's an open source, so let's get started. So I'm going to start with this one. So let's say I'm going to replicate this. So in my test directory, I'm going to create a empty repository. And right now I'm going to create 3 commit. So alright, so I have successfully created 3 commit and this one. So let's say for every commit that you have created, Git will store a lot of data. The data can be the author, who is the one that created it, and the date, the commit message, the commit ID, and many more. Let's say if you create a second commit, right? So the second commit, it will store the first commit as its parents. So it will point towards the first commit. Okay, the second commit will point towards the first commit. And also, when you create a third commit, the third commit right now, it points towards the second commit as the parent. Alright, so right now we are in the master branch. By default, when you create an empty repository, a master branch is being created. So every time you make a commit, right, the master branch, it will move forward. So you can assume that the master branch is actually a pointer. Alright, so it says that the branch in a Git is simply a lightweight pointer. So it's pointing towards each of the commit. So every time you make a commit, you forward the master pointer towards the next commit. Alright, so what happens if you create a new branch? So let's say if I create a new branch, you do git branch, you can see right now there are 2 branches, and if you do git log, you can see the testing branch right now is actually pointing towards this commit, and also the master branch is also pointing towards this commit. But so it says that how does Git know what branch you are currently on? So there's something called head pointer. Okay, there's another head pointer which is points towards the branch. Okay, so right now we have 2 pointers. One is a branch pointer and the other one is a head pointer. The branch pointer will keep track of the commit that you've created, and the head will point towards the branch. Alright, so if you want to know which branch you are on, just look at the head pointer. The head pointer is right now pointing towards the master branch, so we are on the master branch right now. And if you want to switch to existing branch, you can use, since we have 2 branches right now, we can do git checkout the testing branch. And if you do git log right now, you can see that the head pointer right now is pointing towards the testing branch. Okay, so if you make a commit right now, let us make some commit. Let us commit it. If you do git log, you can see there's a commit, 1 commit ahead of the master branch, and your head pointer right now is pointing towards the testing branch. Okay, so it says that the branch that head points to will move forward with each commit is created. Okay, when each commit is created, the testing branch, which is a pointer, it points towards the latest commit. Alright, so let us right now follow the instruction. We check out the master branch. So there's a command that we can actually visualize how does it work. So you can see that when it's yellow, it means that the head right now is pointing towards this branch. So testing branch right now is 1 commit ahead of the master branch. Alright, so let us right now, if we create a commit on top of the master branch, let's modify something. Let's put master and then commit it. So if you do git log and do git k negative all, you can see your master branch and your testing branch right now is being diverged already. Okay, so you can use git checkout branch command to switch between testing and master branch. Okay, so in conclusion, branch is actually just a pointer that will point towards the latest commit. Alright, so you keep track of the commit. So when you make a when the head is pointing to the branch, and then when you create a commit, the master branch will move forward with the newly created commit. Okay, so this is how the branch and the head pointer works.